anything but that person loves his job very much. He can try to connect his personal aspirations to the organizational goal. That is why he is more engaged, and that is what called the engagement means. Generally तीन टाइप के engagement वाले लोग रहते हैं. बागिश, my friend बागिश. Generally तीन टाइप के लोग रहते हैं. Activities engaged, जो खुद भी दुखी रहेंगे, दूसरे को भी दुखी करेंगे. इनका भगवान ही भला कर सकता है, बाकी कोई नहीं. Second is the disengaged employee who believes in जो काम दिया है वो करेंगे. 2 पंच, 1 लंच और घर जाएंगे. 2 पंच 1 लंच घर. भाई लोग, आपको अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो मैं और कोई लैंग्वेज में समझा सकता हूँ, आपके चेहरे पर कोई एक्सप्रेशन मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है. 2 पंच 1 लंच घर चले जाएंगे. We will only have the given task, but we can find out some way, by understanding their needs, by changing their department, by changing their boss, by whatever modes and mediums, giving them some tasks, having the reviews, we can convert those disengaged employees into engaged employees. And engaged employees can ensure that the goal of your organization can be bigger. The role of an HR professional, I am sure you must have been acquiring the MBA in HR. The role of an HR is to ensure कि ये तादाद जल्द से जल्द बढ़नी चाहिए. Engaged employee, because these people are passionate. Passion always supersedes on competence. Competence can be gained, skills can be gained, but passion not. The way excellence is not a skill, it is the attitude. दिन रात सोते हुए, खाते हुए, पीते हुए, जागते हुए, you have to demonstrate that. That is when the excellence will come into picture, my friends. I am not trying to give you any funda. This is the real practical life. If you are expecting that when I will join, there will be a big cabin having the Apple laptop and a beautiful lady will come and offer me a cup of coffee. Sorry, this is not going to happen. This is not an easy cakewalk. मेहनत के सिवा आपको कोई पर्याय नहीं. एंड इफ यू हैव अगर डिसाइड किया मेहनत करो तो एक्सेलेंट करके करेंगे ना. कैन यू इमेजिन एनी मूवी ऑफ अमिताभ बच्चन अदर देन अमिताभ बच्चन एज एक्टर? कैन यू? अरे हाँ ना कुछ तो बोलो यार. व्हाई? बिकॉज़ ही इज एक्सेलेंटली मैनेजिंग दैट. ही इज एक्सेलेंटली एक्टिंग. लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. बागिश, एम्प्लॉय एंगेजमेंट, व्हाट इज इट? Why does it matter? Let's measure it and benefit. When we are saying that person is engaged, it is nothing but he is emotionally connected to his work. Let's go to the next slide. Fully involved, enthusiastic, committed to the organization, confident and all. जनरली क्या होता है, वी आर अफ्रेड ऑफ चेंज. बॉस यहाँ से वो लोग नहीं मैंने लोग. गाइस, फॉर द यंगस्टर्स लाइक यू, चेंज विद द चेंज, अदरवाइज चेंज विल चेंज यू. थिंग्स अभी आपको इंश्योर करना पड़ेगा आपके कॉलेज में. बदलाव के साथ बदलो, वरना बदलाव आपको बदल के रख देगा. एक रहता है लीडर, दूसरा रहता है फॉलोअर और तीसरा रहता है डायनासोर. जो नहीं बदलेगा वो डायनासोर हो जाएगा. ये जात नामशेष हो जाती है. ग्रेट प्लेस टू वर्क इन एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो मेजर करती है सर्वे, आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वेलबींगनेस कैसी है, क्रेडिबिलिटी कैसी है, रिस्पेक्ट कैसा है, प्राइड कैसा है, फेयरनेस कैसा है, कैपेबिलिटी. 7000 ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ ये जुड़ी हुई है. एंड दे एनालाइज एंड देन दे गेट बैक टू एचआर. Boss, these are the problems where you have to work upon, and they give you the ranking as well. And the culture audit, like, are you inspiring as a leader? Is your communication is transparent? Are you thanking? आप अगर अच्छा काम करते हो तो क्या आपको आगे कोई थैंक्स बोल रहा है क्या? Is that pat on the back? ये सारी चीजें इसमें रहती है. The same way, like एग्जाम साल में एक बार रहती है तो 8 में जनरली आदमी प्रिपरेशन करता है ना. So our management has decided that every month we will have that pulse survey, and that is the internal pulse survey of having 16, 17, 15 questions, and based on that, the action planning is being taken place. The employee survey, 360-degree feedback, exit interviews, analysis, turnover, financial performance, all those things. Let's go to this. These are the 15 questions. These are the 15 questions. These are the 15 questions. Do your manager takes care of you as a person? Do you love your job? Are you getting all the resources? And all these kind of questions. Have you been recognized in last 6 months? All these kind of questions. So, when we plan all these things, we have defined one approach that is called as a FITT. That is forward thinking, innovation, talent management and trust. Forward thinking is nothing but जमाने से एक कदम आगे चलना है. We were known as a manufacturer of conductor and fiber. Now we are the solution provider. Talent management, the best in class people. The best in class. I would like to request next time onward, if it is possible, we can have some association with SMS for the internship and for the onboarding kind of thing. So I would like to announce here the same. Innovation is nothing but डरने को challenge करना. Challenge the norm. Challenge the norm. If you want to get success in your life, challenge the norm. The person who is standing in front of you has started his career as a trainee and now he is heading the department of HR. Could possible only because of the innovation, challenging the existing status quo. Trust. Trust का मतलब क्या है? हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं उसको? भरोसा, विश्वास. You all people travel by road, by train, by flight. Everybody travels. How many of you know that driver, that railway engine driver, that pilot by name? कौन सी जात का है, कौन सी धर्म का है, कौन सी पंथ का है, ये हमें नहीं पता दोस्तों. उसके बावजूद हम अपनी अनमोल सी जिंदगी उसके भरोसे पे दे देते हैं and thinking that he will safely reach us to our destination. Yes or no? Why? Trust. So वही trust, when we are working together, when we are completing any project, why this kind of trust is not being demonstrated by us? This question you have to answer to yourself, not to me. This question you have to answer to yourself, not to me. And this has enabled our manufacturing